Hi, Cari here with Sew and Grow Together.
Hello and welcome. We are three families who come together to help each other grow in our faith, family, homesteading, and whatever else life throws our way. Join us on this journey as we sew and grow together.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how I make my sausage gravy. So to be completely honest, for a long time, I was terrified of making gravy. One time of burning it, and you'll understand what I mean. But this recipe is super easy. Anyone can do it. And I just thought I'd share because really it's converted even my son, who wanted nothing to do with gravy, loves this. Anyone who says they don't like sausage gravy usually loves this recipe. So I hope you enjoy it.
This recipe is really super easy. Simple ingredients, you just need flour, your whole milk, Jimmy Dean sausage, sage sausage to be specific is my favorite, and stick butter. So to start, you're going to start by browning your sausage, and you just want to cook that thoroughly until it's completely brown all the way through while chopping it up into small fine pieces. Once it's brown, you're going to not drain it. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of stick butter and melt that through. Once the butter is completely melted, you're going to add your flour. It's 1/4 of a cup of flour, and you're just going to sprinkle it across and mix it up really well so that your grease and your butter will absorb all of that flour. And keep stirring it frequently. You don't want to burn it. And usually I do this for a minute or 2 until everything's absorbed. You're going to go ahead and add your 3 cups of milk. Now you're going to pour it in slowly and continue mixing it very thoroughly. This is the point that I usually change over to a whisk, just so that I'm making sure to get the flour off the bottom and that nothing's sticking. At this point, it can feel like you're whisking forever and it's not thickening. But really, it's just going to take about 8 to 10 minutes, and then it'll really start thickening. You'll whisk it until it's to the thickness of your desire. And don't worry, if you get it a little too thick, just add a little more milk. If you get it a little too thin, let it cook a little longer. It's really, really simple. Then you just add your salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. Thanks for joining us as we sew and grow together.
I also wanted to mention, if you noticed my shirt, we are super excited about these shirts, and hopefully there'll be more in the future. So if you're interested, we'll put a link down below so that you can get yourself one. Anyhow, thank you. God bless.